Cummins INSITE 9.1 Smarter Diagnostics, better results in today, demanding transportation industry, efficiency is everything. Cummins INSITE 9.1 was designed to help workshops and fleet operators diagnose, repair, and maintain engines with unmatched precision. One of the biggest strengths of INSITE 9.1 is its user-friendly interface. Even complex diagnostic tasks become straightforward thanks to clear menus and organized data displays. Technicians can access fault codes, calibrations, and performance reports without wasting time, allowing them to focus on fixing the issue quickly. The software also enhances preventive maintenance, with access to real-time engine parameters, such as fuel consumption, air intake, and sensor performance. Users can detect irregularities before they escalate into costly failures. This proactive approach helps fleets avoid breakdowns, maximize uptime, and lower total operating costs. Another key advantage is its long-term reliability, with a 2-year license, compatibility across Windows 10 and 11, and a standardized English database. Cummins INSITE 9.1 ensures global accessibility and smooth operation for years to come. For businesses seeking efficiency, reduced downtime, and higher profitability, INSITE 9.1 is more than software, yet a strategic investment. Upgrade your diagnostic capabilities today with Cummins INSITE 9.1. Visit diagnosticpro.com to get started.